Good day, my people. Today I'll be reviewing Stoby, and the private sale is out now. What is Stoby all about? Is a platform where students can find job. For instance, you study at a university, and you need some extra income to support your study. Now you have time to work as maybe as a freelancer. You want to work as a babysitter or a personal assistant, a secretary. You can sign up on the platform, or you can get a job. This is very awesome. It is amazing. So let's go down and check more about the website. And remember, you can get 50% bonus for getting involved with this ICO, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain. There's a white paper in different languages here, in French, in Japanese, and English. This is distribution: 20 for marketing, 17 for team, 20 for partner, 8 for reserve, and 34% for private sale. And you can see the advantage here. If you own more than 15,000 STB, you will have no platform fee. If you own more than 7,500, you will have to access to premium and exclusive service. If you pay student with STB token, your service offer is automatically highlighted on the platform, and you have access to the best profile faster. You can see these are the partner at home: Big Green, La French Tech, and this is the roadmap of the ICO. For instance, the ICO is ending this year, January to February 2019. Sales and technical team recruiting. February 2019, STB listed on exchange. So by February 2019, this token should be on the exchange. These are the team member: Julien Labatut, Bertrand Tezel, Thomas Mamazels, and all the rest here. You can find them, and the advisors for this project. And they are based in Toulouse in France. Now you want to know, is these team members, are they real? This guy is real. So let's watch a little. Before that, let's check ICO bench 4.1, and they are based in France. I've said you need a KYC and need to get whitelisted to be involved with this ICO. If you're from United States and China, you can't be involved. And one STB is 20.20 euro. 0.20 euros. Now let's watch the video a little. I will let you know that these team members are real. Let's watch.
When I was a student, I had a lot of free time, but I didn't have a lot of money. So, to earn a little income, I worked as a runner in a restaurant at night from 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. The day after, I was very tired and it was difficult to focus on my studies. So, I thought about how can I get an additional income while creating my own planning. Stoby was born.
So you can see for yourself that this ICO is real. This is real. This is not. This is real. This is not a scam. This is not a scam. So you can see. So thank you for watching this review. I'm going to leave the link below. You can click on the link and sign up for this ICO. You know you can get 50% bonus for that. Now, you don't forget, anything I've said in this review is strictly my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, and I encourage you to go through the white paper, 52 page, read it one after another, page to page, from cover to cover, and understand what it's all about. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much, and until next time I come your way, goodbye.